how to reset the suggested content by the YouTube algorithm. So if you don't like the suggested content, here's how to reset it. So first you'll need to open up your browser and head to youtube.com, and then make sure you're signed into your Google account or YouTube account, and then click on your profile logo and then click on your data in YouTube. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page till you see YouTube controls. So you should see a category called YouTube controls, which is this one. Then click on YouTube watch history, and you will also need to scroll down and click on manage history. Now you will need to scroll down and click on this delete button right here and set it to delete all time, and then you will need to confirm it by clicking on delete. Now when you press got it to close this window, if you go back to youtube.com, hold on a minute. So if you go back to the youtube.com website, you should find that this algorithm is not suggesting you anything, and you will need to do search again or use YouTube again to basically allow the algorithm to learn about your interests and basically suggest you relevant content. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.